Suffolk Artlink, with thanks to National Lottery players. Extra Time, footballing stories from Suffolk. A partnership project with Suffolk Archives. Throughout 2023, Suffolk Artlink invited people to record their personal stories about football. Bird of Paradise. Tricia has been a devoted Liverpool supporter since childhood, but when she treated herself to a tattoo to celebrate her birthday, her devotion wavered.
Hello, my name is Tricia and I was born in Bedford and I now live in Lowestoft. Of course, me and my brother always wanted to be a fan of football clubs, so he chose Manchester United and I chose Liverpool, mostly because the strip was red, they were bright and they had quite handsome players in those days. When I opened a nursery here, my chief nursery nurse was also a Liverpool fan, and I hadn't ever met someone that was so into a club where she'd never been to a football match in her life. And so one birthday, when I couldn't think of anything to buy her, I thought I'd buy her a ticket to Anfield to watch Liverpool and Arsenal. It's a good day, it was a good match. Arsenal won, but we weren't going to that. But during the match, it was electric. We were behind the commentary box on this side. On the other side is the cop. And when they started singing, you see, fills me just to think of it. You'll never walk alone. The whole place is in tears. It is so intense. So that bit, yes, it was brilliant. But anyway, so months later, I decide on the eve of my 50th birthday to have a tattoo. Why wouldn't you? And so I said to Sam, what can I have? What do you think I would have that is small, that is on the inside of my wrist? I want a tattoo, but I want it meaningful. And she went, why don't you get a livered to commemorate our trip to Anfield? I went, brilliant, super idea. How lovely is that? My other nursery nurse came with me, and while we were waiting, I was leafing through all the books of tattoos, and they were some of them spectacular. And I came across a tattoo of a bird of paradise. It was stunning. And so at the last minute, I said, do you think you could do this? He said, not on your wrist. I can't, no. It'd have to be on your back. So that's what I did. I had this bird of paradise. And that's the story of the tattoo. I mean, it's kind of like a livered, isn't it? And the story of the tattoo, I'd still remember that it was actually supposed to be a livered. And I still like Liverpool.